Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Ram Reddy M. Today we are discussing about hazardous waste management. Definition of hazardous wastes in India. According to hazardous waste management and handling rules, any substance, whether in solid, liquid, or gaseous form, which has no forcibly use and which by reasons of any physical, chemical, reactive, toxic, flammable, explosive, corrosive, radioactive, or infectious characteristics causes danger or is likely to cause danger to health or environment, whether along or when in contact with other wastes or environment, and should be considered as such when generated, handled, stored, transported, treated, and disposed of. The Basel Convention defines hazardous wastes as follows: wastes are substances or objects which are disposed of, are intended to be disposed of, or required to be disposed of by the provision of national law. Types of hazardous waste: automotive waste, pesticides, electronics, gasoline, cleaning agents, radioactive wastes, batteries, etc. Characteristics of hazardous waste: ignitability, corrosivity, reactivity, toxicity. Regardless of concentration limit, classified as hazardous wastes if the waste exhibit any of the following characteristics: flammable, flammable waste with flash point 65.6 degrees centigrade or below, solid at STP capable of causing fire through friction, moisture changes, or spontaneous chemical changes. Oxidizer. Next, explosive wastes which may explode under the effect of flame, heat, and photochemical conditions. Any other waste of explosive materials included in the Indian Explosive Act. Corrosive wastes which may be corrosive by chemical action will cause several damage when in contact with living tissue. Its pH is less than 2 or greater than 12.5. Toxic wastes containing or contaminated with established toxic or ecotoxic constituents. Carcinogenicity, mutagenicity, and endocrine disruptivity. Wastes contaminated or containing established carcinogens, mutagens, and endocrine disruptants. Typical hazardous waste types: inorganic liquids is 70% and organic liquids is 25% and 5% of sludge is present. Waste generation rates by industries. Need for solid and hazardous waste management. Disposing solid waste is not really a very easy job. There are a lot of things that should be taken into consideration like public health, transportation, proper storage, proper collection, etc. Failure to abide by rules and protocols might lead to accident or risk the health of people in the region. Recover materials you could still recycle like glass, plastic, and metal. Minimizes the space essential for landfills. A waste separation plant lessens the level of garbage that will be disposed to landfills. To realize about 3R concept, that is reduce, recycle, and reuse. Keeps the environment clean and fresh. Protect the health of human and animals. Reduce pollution and helps preserve energy. When hazardous waste like pesticides, cleaning solvents are mixed up with paper or other scraps and are burned, they produce gases. These toxic gases have a potential of causing various diseases including cancer. Landfilling of hazardous wastes. Nature of hazardous waste management. Hazardous waste field is interdisciplinary, requires professionals with diverse background working together to solve the complex issue of hazardous waste management. Environmental impact and risk assessment, treatment, storage and disposal, waste minimization, recycling and reduction, management and cost. Indian scenario of hazardous waste. In India, 62,32,507 metric tons of hazardous waste is generated in every year. The category-wise classification of this quantity is follows: landfillable hazardous waste is 27,28,326 metric tons per annum, and incinerable hazardous waste is 4,15,794 metric tons per annum. Recyclable hazardous waste is 30,88,387 metric tons per annum. It is obvious that the recycling portion of hazardous waste is the range of 49.55% and is more than other two categories. The land disposable portion and incinerable portion are in the ton of 43.78% and 6.67% respectively. Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh are the top three hazardous waste generating states. The relative contribution by these states are 28.76%, 25.16%, and 8.93% respectively. Thereafter, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu are found as major generators of hazardous waste. These seven states are together generating 80.29% of country's total hazardous waste. Major hazardous waste generating states in India. Rules and regulation of hazardous waste aim at providing control, specify the responsibilities, regulations governing generator of hazardous waste, preparation for transport, manifest requirements, record keeping and reporting, regulations governing transporters of hazardous waste, notification prior to transport, manifest requirements. Transportation and storage of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste generated at source requires movement by trucks to further, requires serious care and attention while moving. Hazardous waste to be properly packed and labeled for transport to ensure safe handling. Storage facilities are used to store wastes temporarily before treatment and disposal. Guidelines for occupier or generator of hazardous waste. To keep the complete record of the types, quantities, characteristics of hazardous waste. To transport the hazardous waste through specified and registered transporters. To fulfill the pre-transport requirements before transporting hazardous waste. To dispose of hazardous waste only at notified disposal facilities. Effects of hazardous waste on environment. Improper storage allows chemicals to leak into the environment, causing dangerous chemical reactions, poisoning or pollutions. Improper disposals allows chemical to contaminate soil or water. Groundwater contaminates if dumped on the ground. Pollutes rivers, streams and lakes when poured through the storm drains. Toxic materials in wastewater can kill the helpful bacteria and the wastewater treatment system will not operate properly. Contribute to air pollution or an explosion when burnt. Effects of hazardous waste on human beings. Vomiting, headache, skin rashes such as dermatitis, chemical burns, birth defect, disorders of the lung, kidney or liver, nervous system disorders, death in case of lethal dose. Hazardous waste accident. Accident reporting. Where an accident occurs at the facility of the occupier handling hazardous or other wastes and operator of the disposal facility or during transportation. The occupier or the operators or the transport shall immediately intimate the State Pollution Control Board through telephone, email about the accident and subsequent send off report in Form 11. Co-processing of hazardous wastes. Cement industry like Lord Shiva for other industries. Lord Shiva drank the Halahar during Samudra Mantana to save the world. Cement industries also disposing the hazardous waste generated from other industries during their product manufacturing to save the earth. Conclusion. Safe and effective management of waste is not only a legal necessity but also a social responsibility. Proper collection and segregation of biomedical wastes. Try to reduce the waste generation. Individual awareness and participation. Use recycled products. Label with agent, concentration and hazard warnings. Communicate about workplace hazards. Thank you.